guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo, and today I'm gonna be taking you guys on a trip to Jamaica. So maybe you guys are wondering, like, what do you mean you're gonna take us on a trip to Jamaica? Aren't you in Jamaica? And the answer to that question is no. I'm not in Jamaica right now, I'm in New York, and I figured since my last video, or one of my last videos that I made, where I talked about how to get into Jamaica during COVID, I figured that if I'm going to Jamaica, I might as well take you guys and show you the process. So far I've already filled out my travel authorization application, got my negative COVID test and everything. I'm gonna show you guys that. So I apologize for the degradation and quality. Some of this video will be filmed on my phone, like right now, and some of it will be filmed on my camera, but the battery's charging. So annoying. But anyways, this time I went to a different urgent care to get my COVID test. So let me show you. Okay, so that was some of it. It has a lot of like personal information on there that I've realized I can't just like, you know, put on YouTube. So let me show you guys though the result. So there it is, my negative COVID test. Yep. So this time for the test, it was $65, which let me tell you guys was a huge relief because the last place that I went to, my test was $200 US. So when I came to New York in June of last year now, Happy New Year. Oh my god, Happy New Year to you guys. When I came to New York in June of 2020, coming back to Jamaica, I had to find somewhere to get a COVID test, and the urgent care center I went to, the test was $200 if you don't have insurance. So, you know, I don't have $200 to consistently and constantly put out towards COVID tests. So I found a better place that provides provides rapid tests or the regular, you know, 3 to 5 day return time tests. So, this one was called Priority 1 Urgent Care in Albany, New York, or Guilderland. It's in Guilderland. For any of you guys who are in New York, upstate, who are looking for somewhere that's more cost effective to get your COVID test done if you need to go to Jamaica or just travel in general, that was a really good place. They were clean, they were efficient, so I would definitely recommend. Okay, so previously in my other video, I showed you guys how to do the whole travel authorization like process, how to go through it. Unfortunately, I didn't film that part when I went through mine this time, but I did get my authorization back fairly quickly. My boyfriend came to see me in Jamaica in September, and he got his travel authorization back like a couple of hours before he was supposed to leave. So I was worried that I would have that same dilemma, but I don't think I did because I've already had to do this once. So maybe, and it actually documented it, my last application, it had it there. So I just added another one and it was accepted in like the next minute after I filled it out. So yeah, it was pretty fast. I don't know if I can show you guys what it looks like. Maybe I'll just zoom in a little so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like at the top. Little things that you have to know. And then my name and other information's at the top to provide to airport personnel. We're at the gas station now getting some gas. I have my big coat on because it's like 30 degrees outside. It's pretty cold. And yeah, I was talking quietly in the house because I didn't want to wake up my boyfriend's mom and everything. And I have a little bit of like the sniffles because of my allergies. Changing climates from, because I was just in California, then I came to New York, and he has pets, so my allergies are just like beating me up. But yeah, we're gonna go to Staples and hopefully get some food because I'm pretty hungry. My papers. My favorite. So we just got Bellini's Counter. It's a place that my boyfriend really likes to eat at. And they have these really cool, like, what is this called again?
Cannoli chips.
They're cannoli chips. They're so good. And it has like this cream that goes like inside of a cannoli usually. It's just like a dip. So I got that. And then I got a rice bowl. And he got a salad bowl. So hopefully it's going to be really good. The airport. In Atlanta. I've got a 6-hour layover in the Atlanta airport. I am so tired. Hey guys, I look a mess, but I've had like a layover in Atlanta for 6 hours now. It's been pretty long, and I got like 1 hour of sleep, so I tried to get some sleep in the airport. But now it's like 3 p.m. and the people at the Delta desk actually just asked for documents, like a negative COVID test and travel authorization. So after the line passes, I'm probably gonna go up there and hand in my documents and everything. And yeah, I couldn't really film walking a lot, or like when I was checking in my bags, because I was holding so much stuff. Like I had my computer and stuff and a book and a workbook that I'm writing in, so I couldn't really film that. But she did ask, the baggage claim lady did ask me for the documents, and I did present them to her, and it's so much easier to just have it on the paper than have to like show her on the phone like I was telling you. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to film a little of this part, and we'll be in Jamaica soon. One more plane till we're in Jamaica. And I got the window seat again. So I'm finally back here in Jamaica. I didn't film too much in the airport because you're not really allowed to film in there, especially like when you go through customs and stuff. But I'm here at a really awesome resort now. So the best part, probably one of the best parts about being able to live in Jamaica, is coming to these super cool resorts with really nice views like I just showed you guys. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Here's Lily. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it was, I don't know, maybe a little informational, entertaining. I will link the video of me explaining how to get into Jamaica in the description. So yeah, I hope you guys like my video. Please like and subscribe, comment, and I'm thinking of doing a Q&A, so ask me some questions in the comments. I'll see you guys later.